Did you know that the creator of VeeFriends NFT is worth $200 million? Gary Vee started VaynerNFTT to help celebrities with their NFT endeavors. Today, we will speak about the VeeFriends Series 2 and give you a step-by-step beginner's guide on how to mint VF2. Let us get into it. First, the only users who can mint are Friends List winners and Series 1 holders. According to the website, there is a public mint scheduled for April 25, 2022, with 10,000 Series 2 NFTs. Now, if you want to mint your VF2 before the public event, here are the 5 quick steps. Number 1. Mint a card. To begin the minting process, go to the top of the web page and look for Friends List Mint. Then select Series 1 Claim. However, if you hold the Series 1 VeeFriends and claim your free transaction fees for Series 2 NFT, you have to follow a different step. Therefore, click the Connect Wallet button to connect to the Series 1 wallet to this new series. Once your wallet is successfully connected, you will click the Check Eligibility button to ensure you are eligible for the private minting. Once eligibility is confirmed, you will select the quantity amount to mint. The maximum mint per order for Friends List and Series 1 claim is 30 per batch. The minting process is timed and valuably placed within 60 minutes. If you keep the batch in your shopping cart for more than that, the order cancels. We will explain further when we present the minting stage of this guide to you. Stay tuned. Number 2. Shipping. The next step is shipping. You will now enter your shipping details if you are claiming a free box of VeeFriends Compete and Collect trading cards, which comes with a purchase of any primary VeeFriends Series 2 NFT. Nevertheless, if users wish to forego claiming the box, you may click to do so and not enter any shipping information. Moreover, the zip code has proven quite challenging, ensuring that your browser is refreshed. Also, you can forego the free box if you do not want it. Still, review your purchase summary before payment. Once confirmed, click the Pay Now button to approve a transaction from your wallet. You will be presented with a transaction fee in your order summary, which is the fee by VeeFriends to mint and transfer your NFT to you. To illustrate, you will pay a small fee to approve and verify your requested purchase order. Currently, Ethereum transaction fees start from $5 to $500, depending on the type of transaction. The marketplace places the value of minting on Solana between $120 to $400. The fee is payment for the energy it takes to transfer and validate the transaction on the blockchain. Some users try to adjust the gas on the transaction to lower their transactional costs. Indeed, you will get the fee smaller, but the transaction could become slower than usual and sometimes never go through without proper feedback. Note, the transaction fee is for the NFT to carry out their operational duties. Ship us a subscription if you do not mind. Our channel has all the latest developments in NFTs and blockchain technology. Subscribe now and learn more on how to mint on every platform. Number 3. Confirmation. Now, there is no action required. The website's backend will confirm your order, and it might take some minutes to complete when it gets to the confirmation time. There, you can take a deep breath and watch it confirm the status of your minting. Please ensure that you do not refresh, close out, or return to the page. If you are constantly anxious and keep clicking when you are awaiting confirmation on something, give us a thumb up in the comments. Taking any action in this step could cause technical difficulties, including starting the process again. When it is complete, you will be alerted. Meanwhile, there are other signs that you will see to realize that you have successfully minted the NFT. When you finalize this process, a congrats message will be displayed to show the finalization of the minting. We will shed more light on that shortly. Number 4. Minting. Now, the estimated time to receive the pre-reveal randomized VeeFriends Series 2 NFT is up to 60 minutes. In spite of the last warning, now you can leave the website and return later. VF2 users may check the website for their order status and return to check on it if they need to go off the web page. Notwithstanding, unresolved orders or unpaid minting will automatically be canceled after 60 minutes. When you check your shopping cart on the website, the time remaining for you to complete payment will be placed there. We know that procrastination gives you something to look forward to, And nothing makes a person more productive than the last minute. But this is not one of the times when do tomorrow. Do tomorrow applies. Finish it at once and move on. Number 5. Confirmation of order. Finally, you will be redirected to the congrats page once your order is complete. You can decide to view your receipts and download them to keep as a copy of the transaction. The purchase process is expected to last all the. Once the process completes, the new Veefriends Series 2 will show up in your wallet on secondary markets like OpenSea and Milky Way. We would have more for your entertainment and information if you enjoyed our Veefriends, beginner tips, and deep desire. Check out our video on Top 5 SOLANA NFT, meant to explode in 3 weeks. We have some potential investment game changers for you.